my channel, this is Titi and today we are baking some Petits Sablés. I'm so excited! It's not Christmas yet, but it's coming soon and I feel like celebrating in advance, so I even took the hat, as you can see. I'm Mama Noël. Because this recipe is the easiest I have. Petits Sablés comes from Sablé-sur-Sarthe in France, and story tells that it's actually the Marquise de Sable who brought those dry biscuits to the court of King Louis XIV for his brother in 1670. And it happened he adored them so much actually that he asked to be served those dry biscuits for every breakfast. And guess what? He called them les Petits Sablés in honor to the Marquis who gifted them to him. We know that thanks to the Marquis de Savigny's letter, and I just find this fun fact pretty amazing. So if you enjoyed this video, please do push a thumb up. I would love it. I would really appreciate it. Ooh la la, I would be heaven. And subscribe for the channel for more cooking videos. Turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And of course, don't hesitate to comment. Let me know if you were able to recreate this very easy recipe and how it ended up, and if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos too. Let's get started. So as I said, it's the easiest recipe I have for Christmas for you. Easy, fun, and it doesn't take any time. I mean, it barely takes any. So for this, you will need 250 grams of flour, 125 grams of sugar, and butter, and 1 egg. That's it. You see? Let's get comfy. And here we go. This is the measure cup. I completely forgot it. It makes life so much more convenient. And it's in grams. You have everything here. So right now I'm going to use sugar and then at the end flour. Time to prepare the dough now. Put 125 grams of sugar in a big bowl. It will be much easier to cut with a knife. Then add 125 grams of butter and mix by hands. Add 1 egg to the mixture and mix by hands. It might get a little bit messy, but you will eventually have a lot more pleasure in it once you add 250 grams of flour and mix the ingredients yet again. Last part of the dough making. Just add 250 grams of flour and mix by hands. This is so soft. It's like I'm creating a cloud. I feel like I have a second skin now with all the dough on my fingers. It smells so good. your dough ready, form a ball out of it and place it in a plastic wrap. Or you can just put it in a Tupperware if you wish. Finally, let it rest for at least an hour in the fridge. I did let it rest for a day though this time around, but you can do as you please.
C'est quoi ça?
You got it?
C'est quoi ça?
It's a dough. You needed to remove the plastic. You're going to take a little bit of flour like this. Spread it here. Yes, more. Before processing to the cookie cutters and stamps, preheat the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius on a conventional oven. Okay, so let's do this first.
Me some.
Okay. Here you go. Place the biscuits on an oven tray and add parchment paper in it. Place the rocks here. Yes.
Maman, gagne quoi? Petits Sablés.
First you press, then you do this.
Maman.
You press like this, and then more. Yes. Are you ready? And now we take them off. Oh, that's so cute. Ali, your turn, Mena. Which ones do you want to do first?
Maman,
First you press, and then you push. Yep, perfect.
Maman. Ça, c'est maman.
You want to do this one too? Okay, here. Is there another one you want to do? This one, the dog? You sure? Sorry, my love. Cut the baking paper, yada. Then place the tray in the oven on level 3 in the middle of the oven for 10 minutes. With your hands, Mela, with your hands. How is it, Mela? Tasty? We are going back to Paris now, and Chenxi is eating all the Petits Sablés. May I have some, my love? Please?
No.
What did you say? May I have some, please? May I have some Petits Sablés, please? Unicorn? Show me. Pretty cool. Oh, thank you.
Mama. Quoi ça?
So yummy.
C'est bon, ça me
I mean, no, it's a dino. What are you even talking about?
what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
Also, make sure when you're preparing 3D cookies like the Christmas tree you can see that the parts that go in each other are big enough. Otherwise, the parts will not match in size and you will not be able to put them in each other, thus having 3D cookies. I think I have forgotten the other mold, but I will use what I used for the snowman instead. Actually, two like this, pretty cute, huh? Yes, my love. Oh, that's alright. Once it's in your mouth, it doesn't matter anymore. So how is it, my love? Yeah, but how is it? It was so good we couldn't even stop. Hope you spent a marvelous Christmas, and I wish you the best for the upcoming holidays this weekend.